you live in Zone 6B in Western Kentucky, you might be wondering, is it safe to plant my garden? Because we are having beautiful weather right now. Like today, the high is like 74, and you're probably getting antsy to start moving some vegetables outside. The ideal planting date that's supposed to be the safest for our area is March 15th for lettuce. So if you're feeling antsy, I would suggest waiting. Sometimes you can get by with it a little bit earlier if we have just a really warm into our winter and into the spring. But I did hear a prediction that at the end of March, we actually could have a really cold spell. So just be cautious. Try to wait till March 15th before you start moving your plants out if you are here in Western Kentucky. Now, if you're farther south in a different zone, your planting date is going to be earlier than what ours is here. And then if you're farther north, your planting date is going to also be later than ours. So what you need to know is your last expected frost date. Go 4 to 6 weeks prior to that to determine your planting date for your zone. Knowing your last frost date is so important and so helpful for you. Okay, we've got 2 varieties of kale for you guys, and I just want to take a minute and show you the root system. It is actually growing outside of the pot. Look how white and healthy those are. These have been grown in an organic, OMRI listed soil that has lots of nutrients already mixed into it. So you can see that it has really promoted root growth. So we've been talking about safe planting dates for our area here in Western Kentucky. And if you're wanting to move kale outside to your garden, March 10th is the recommended safe planting date. Broccoli and cauliflower, their recommended safe planting date for our area is March 30th. We also have some Brussels sprouts that are certified organic, and if you are in Western Kentucky, the planting date, the safe planting date that's recommended for these outside in your garden is March 30th. Spinach is a personal favorite of mine. I love to eat spinach. Really, I like it in salads. I actually use it sometimes in place of lettuce, even on cheeseburgers. I just really like spinach, and its benefits are so healthy. It has so many great benefits for you. So here we have 2 types of spinach available that are certified organic. And the great thing is that if you are in Western Kentucky, you can actually move your spinach out now to the garden. So it is safe to go ahead. This is the recommended safe planting date for that outside is February 15th, which is today actually. So you can actually move those on out to your garden and get your spinach crop started. For cabbage, if you're looking at the recommended safe planting date for that, it is going to be like the lettuces, and March 15th will be the ideal date to move those outside to your garden. You know, when you're getting plants like this and you're wondering, okay, do I need to repot it into a bigger pot? Do I need to put it in something where its roots can grow? One way to tell is to look at the bottom of the pot. So if you see that the roots are starting to come out of the bottom of the pot, then it's time to either move it to a bigger area or to a bigger pot.